Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you which investing tool is the clear winner between Robinhood and Coinbase. Make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. Starting with Robinhood, Robinhood offers commission-free trading for stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies, making it attractive for cost-conscious investors. It prioritizes a seamless mobile experience, allowing users to trade and manage portfolios on the go. Robinhood also allows users to buy fractional shares, enabling investment in expensive stocks with smaller amounts of money. There is no minimum balance required to open or maintain an account, making it accessible to all investors. Additionally, it offers a cash management account with competitive interest rates on invested cash along with debit card. However, Robinhood offers limited advanced trading features and tools which may not satisfy experienced traders. It also does not offer mutual funds and bonds, limiting diversification options. Now let's talk about Coinbase. Coinbase allows users to withdraw cryptocurrency to external wallets, providing great control over their assets. It provides comprehensive educational resources and tutorials to help users understand cryptocurrency investing. Coinbase Pro offers advanced trading tools and lower fee for experienced traders. However, Coinbase charges higher fee for buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies compared to platforms like Robinhood. It focuses solely on cryptocurrency and does not offer traditional financial instruments like stocks or ETFs. The fee structure can be confusing for new users with different fee for Coinbase and Coinbase Pro. Choosing between Robinhood and Coinbase depends on your specific investment goals. The clear winner depends on whether your primary focus is traditional assets or cryptocurrency. Robinhood offers a more diversified investment experience with lower cost, while Coinbase excels as a robust and secure platform for cryptocurrency trading. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content like this.